Every year, millions of families face the battle against cancer, and that pain inspired us to search for hope. At Factory Flow, we combined the power of nature with advanced science. Extracts from neem and
All right, first crate.
curcuma
Verifying
longa
chain of
are
custody.
carefully
Scan
processed
successful.
using
Item ID
state-of-the-art
WH Rev received.
machinery inside
Next
our
one.
facility.
Keeping the dock moving.
From research to final formulation, every step is driven by precision, innovation, and care. This is more than a medicine. This is a promise of hope. Factory Flow, where nature meets innovation.
Sustainable, ethical sourcing is crucial for our future. These partner farms blend indigenous knowledge with modern techniques. This ensures environmental protection and community support.
Golden turmeric rhizomes rest in biodegradable packing material. The camera slowly tracks across the vivid orange interior of freshly cut turmeric. Its texture is rich, earthy, promising. Increasing temperature to 65, extending cycle to 50 minutes. Load is tumbling evenly, water level is optimal.
Quality meets ancient tradition through modern science.
First batch of turmeric going in now. Chamber's clear, let's grind. In parallel vessels, other extractions occur simultaneously. Ashwagandha undergoes hot water extraction for withanolides. Guduchi receives cold press extraction for azadirachtin. 4 processes, 1 modern facility. Gauges are counting up smoothly, all parameters are stable.
Transitioning to evening, no anomalies detected.
Night shift here, monitoring the final hours. The extraction completes. Marcus opens a collection valve. Golden amber curcumin extract flows like liquid sunshine into a receiving flask. The concentrated medicine holds the light, thick with healing potential.
First extract sample received. Beginning transfer. Dispensing now. Amount confirmed. Sample ready for HPLC and spectrophotometry. Powering up the HPLC. Sample A1 loaded. Initiating run. The chromatogram is starting. Okay, adjusting focus now. The crystals are becoming clearer. Yes, 400x. These structures confirm high purity and successful extraction. The HPLC is stable. This validates the entire process. The results are in. Curcumin content is 95.7, exceeding USP%, which is within specification. Heavy metals and microbial counts are both well within safe limits. Now checking the data loggers. Temperature is stable at 25 degrees. Humidity is also holding at 60%. All conditions are perfect. The medicine will remain potent.
Every batch receives genetic testing using DNA barcoding technology. A PCR machine amplifies plant DNA, confirming species of adulteration. The medicine contains exactly what the label promises. Lives will be saved with this batch. This is where ancient wisdom meets modern science. We combine these herbal extracts with our modern compounds. The final formula is ready for the next phase. Final check on the ratios. Curcumin, ashwagandha, guduchi, neem. All precise. Years of research, spot on. Through a viewing port, the extracts gradually blend into a uniform golden brown powder. What started as distinct layers becomes homogeneous medicine, each particle containing the synergistic power of 4 healing plants. Excipients, pharmaceutical-grade binders, fillers, and stabilizers are added to the blend. David measures each component: microcrystalline cellulose for flow, magnesium stearate as lubricant. Every ingredient serves a purpose. A ribbon blender now receives the complete formulation. Its gentle ribbon-shaped agitators fold the mixture like a patient baker. The powder's color deepens to a rich amber gold, promising healing. Okay, it's mixed, ready for the first sample.
Got it. Filling the tube now. Labeled as sample point 2. Next one.
Ready when you are. The encapsulation room is the heart of the pharmaceutical operation. Gleaming automatic capsule filling machines dominate the space, their complexity beautiful in its purposefulness. David loads the blended powder into the machine's hopper. The golden brown medicine flows like sand through an internal auger system, ready for precise dosing. The system is unforgiving in its pursuit of quality. Every capsule that reaches a patient must be flawless.
Let's start the weight variation test. First capsule, 500.2 milligrams. Next, 499.8 milligrams. The results are consistency around 500 milligrams. Dissolution testing follows. The capsules are placed in the rotating baskets of the heated water bath. Time-lapse shows the capsules breaking down. This models what will happen in a patient's digestive system.
At 30 minutes, UV spectroscopy measures the concentration of dissolved active ingredients. The graph shows rapid release followed by sustained availability. The formulation works exactly as designed.
The packaging line is a wonder of automation and precision. I oversee a team managing multiple stations simultaneously.
Desiccant packets follow, small sachets of silica gel that will maintain dryness throughout the product's shelf life. Another mechanical arm, another perfect placement. Tamper-evident seals are heat shrunk around each cap and bottleneck. Warm air blows as the clear plastic shrinks snugly, forming an unbreakable seal that guarantees product integrity. This batch looks good. Let's verify the connections.
Agreed. I'm checking this one now.
Looks solid. Ready for the next?
Okay, logging it. On to the next. Scanning item WH10001. Match confirmed. Verified. Next item WH10002. Match confirmed. Verified. Opening the random carton for inspection. Removing the bottle. Checking the seal and verifying label against the master sheet. Examining the capsules through the amber plastic.
An X-ray inspection system provides the final technological safeguard. Cartons move through the X-ray chamber on the monitor. Emily reviews each image, confirming correct capsule count and no foreign objects.
Reviewing the certificate of analysis. All tests passed. All specifications met. Authorizing this batch for distribution.
A wireless scanner confirms the pallet's placement. James scans the pallet label, then scans the shelf location. The inventory management system updates in real time. The database
Back her up steady to bay 3. Copy that, bay 3. All right, open the doors and start loading. Pallets incoming. Keep the line moving.
First up, St. Mary's Hospital. Pharmacy order.
Got it. Grabbing it now. Scanned. All good.
Good. On the pallet for St. Mary's.
Okay.
City General Hospital. Surgical supplies. Shipping labels are printed large, clear, with multiple barcodes and tracking numbers. These labels go on all 4 sides of each pallet for 360-degree visibility.
All right, pounds of hope rolling out. Heading to the dock now.
Okay, let's place these data loggers with the shipment. One here, this will track the temperature throughout transit. And one here, this ensures cold chain integrity. All set.
James, let's confirm the manifest for the high-value cargo. Yes, 50 units, declared value is correct. And security seals are applied. Confirmed, all documented. Excellent, let's shake on it. Agreed.
Truck arriving. Clear the bay. Back it up slowly now. Good. Hold position. Docks aligned.
Okay, let's check the temperature logs first. All readings are in range, cold chain integrity confirmed. Everything looks good, this batch is ready for the shelves. Unpacking this shipment of ibuprofen. Scanning each bottle to log lot and pyre. Data's linked, ready for sale.
This is a plant-based supplement for support. It works alongside your main treatment, not as a replacement. The natural ingredients can help manage side effects. Always check with your doctor.
The amber plastic catches light one final time. Inside are capsules filled with the concentrated essence of 4 healing plants, each prepared with care and precision.
Manufacturing never stops when lives are at stake.
Let's check this one.
Okay, looks good so far.
I'll mark it. Let's check the seams.
Using the flashlight, looks perfect.
Great. This one's ready to ship.